Alright guys, today we're here to do a video on my top 5 favorite features of owning an Apple Watch. My first favorite feature of the Apple Watch is the Compass app that everyone has on their watch and the newest, latest features of it. If you look at this icon right here at the bottom, you can see you can now click that little backtrack button, and now you can actually backtrack where you actually start. So if you get to a location and you want to, let's say, take a hike and you want to make sure you can get back to that original location, it can start here, and then when you get to your location, you can just backtrack exactly where you are and not get lost, and it's really, really accurate. So that's a really cool feature. The other cool feature is the waypoint feature here on the left. And if you hit that button, you can actually drop a waypoint on anything you want. Let's say you put a car in a parking lot and you want to know how to get back to it. You can drop that waypoint. It will stay on the map as long as you need it to, and then you can go back and find exactly where you dropped that waypoint. You can even name the waypoints to whatever you want them to be. The next feature we got to talk about with the Apple Watch is the fact that it has all these different health features. You have fall detection now, where it will alert if you fall. You have crash detection, so if you get into a car crash, it will alert emergency services. It can check your temperature. You can do your heart rate. You can do an emergency SOS call. All of these health features that are really cool that can actually help you if needed. The next thing I love about an Apple Watch is all the customizability. So you can see here on the main screen here, all of these different things that I have around here. So I can go right here and click on my latest activity. I can go right here and click on my messages. I can go right here and click on my calendar and see what's available. So all of these things are called complications, and you can customize them in the iPhone app and make them do whatever you want. Like right here in the middle, I customize that to be my Tesla car. So if I click on that icon, it automatically remote start my car. All of these little complications that are all around, you can customize to open up whatever app you want to really make the watch feel like your own. The next thing we got to talk about on the Apple Watch is the activities. So this is for exercising, to keeping up with your daily goals, calories and stuff like that, and standing up. But you can actually have competition with your friends, which is really cool. So you can invite them to like a 7-day competition to kind of see who can get the most steps in a week, which adds some friendly gaming competition to exercising and stuff, which I really like. You can see your friends and kind of have a growing friends list to see how many calories they burned and all that kind of stuff. So really, really cool stuff to motivate you to exercise. And the last feature that I really like on the Apple Watch is actually the Walkietalkie app. And I actually made a separate video on how to actually use this, because it is a little bit finicky to add your friends on here. But when everyone gets added, this is a lot of fun, because you can actually just click on someone and then you can kind of just hold the button like you were holding a walkie-talkie button, and then you can talk back and forth really easily. No messaging or anything, no phone call conversations. If you want to get something really quick out to your friends, this is a really cool feature. And so a feature that a lot of people don't even know exists on their Apple Watch.